The outside is a mirror of your inside. So if you feel that people criticize you, that people attack you, that they're creating a hard life for you, it's actually you attacking yourself. It's a projection of your own shadow onto the outside. Everything is one. So it's you out there attacking yourself. If you are speaking metaphorically, you are giving the stones to them so that they throw them at you. And you're actually also writing the script and telling them that they shall throw these stones at you. So you can just stop doing that when you see that that's yourself doing it. Seeing is enough. You can stop the pattern just by seeing it. And then you can imagine standing there and bathing in the love of the divine, in the love of God, which is also you. You are the divine, giving love to yourself. Just imagine that now for some minutes, bathing in the love of the divine.